Hey everyone, in today's tutorial, we will show you how to set up a Shopify Partner account. A partner account is perfect for developers, designers, and entrepreneurs who want to create and manage multiple stores, apps, or teams. Let's get started. On the Shopify dashboard, we need to open a new tab and type in the partner portal address, partners.shopify.com. From here, we need to click Login or Sign Up. Let's go ahead and sign up and continue with Google. Once signed in, we can see the option to set up a new partnership. Just click Create New. Here, we need to choose the options that best fit our Shopify Partner account. When ready, click Next. Now we need to select our location. We fill in our business name and address, then click Create Partner Organization. Next, we will need to verify our email address. Once we verify the business email address, we will have full access to the Shopify Partner account. And that's it. That's how we set up a Shopify Partner account. With this account, we can manage stores, test apps, and grow our Shopify business opportunities.